Primers are divisive. You either love them or you absolutely have never used them. Either ways, primers are essential products that help bridge the gap between makeup and skincare routines, which in turn helps your makeup adhere better to your skin. So if you've been mulling over whether you need a primer or you don't, then consider this video our attempt at getting you on board the primer bandwagon. Hi guys, I'm Niyati, and for this video I've teamed up with the rest of the BeBeautiful squad, which is Sanya, Diksha and Nidhi, to tell you guys all about primers for all skin types. Now before we begin, you know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon so that you stay updated with all our latest videos. Okay, so let's first understand what is primer. In simple words, primer is the first step of your makeup, which ensures that your skin is prepped for all the makeup that is going to come along. Essentially, the ultimate goal of your primer is to be the bodyguard of your makeup. What it does is it forms a magical barrier between makeup and your skin so that your makeup sticks to your skin like a loyal BFF. No fading, no creasing, no pores, no fine lines, just makeup perfection. Plus, primers can do a whole lot than just prep and prime the skin. Certain primers also contain skin-loving ingredients which can help illuminate the skin, while others can also help mattify the skin depending on the formulation. But simply knowing this about the primer is not enough. You also need to select a primer that suits your skin type. Just like how we use different products for different skin types, your primer also needs to suit your skin type. So here is a rundown of how to select the right primer for your skin type. There are two aspects to it. One is that you need to take your skin type into consideration, and the other is your skin concerns. For instance, my girl right here, Sanya, has oily skin, which means she's constantly fighting the grease battle. Hence, the right pick for her would be a mattifying primer. Needless to say, the Lakme Absolute Blow Perfect Makeup Primer is the ideal pick for her. This primer helps create a smooth matte canvas that is going to make sure that your foundation stays put all day long. It is a waterproof primer with a blurring formula that is going to hide your pores and fine lines, giving you that picture perfect finish. And it is tinted, so you can use it as is. We'll tell you how to do that later on in the video. On the other hand, my girl Diksha right here has dry skin, which means she has rough patches and uneven skin texture due to lack of moisture. This makes applying makeup a bit of a challenge for her. And this is precisely why she prefers a gel-based primer which also has moisturizing ingredients. So her pick is the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer. This is a lightweight primer which is going to help fill out pores, blemishes, and it's also going to smoothen the skin. In addition to that, it also contains the goodness of vitamin E. This ingredient acts as a moisturizer. It helps reduce any kind of skin dryness and subsequent flaking of the skin. Now, because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it's also going to soothe any kind of irritation that you may be facing due to lack of moisture. Lastly, my girl Nidhi right here often complains about having a dull complexion. So her aim is always to get that natural glow on her skin, which is why her personal favorite is the Lakme Absolute Glow Primer. It is an illuminating primer that is infused with luminescent pearls that give you that highlighter-like glow. What she also loves about this is that it blends seamlessly. And this product is also super versatile because of its light and sheer texture. You can either use it as an illuminating moisturizer or you can layer it underneath your makeup. It is the perfect pick-me-up on days when you want that glowy lit from within look, but you don't really want to wear makeup. Well, now that you know all about primers for different skin types, let me tell you a secret. Primers do a lot more than what they tell us, meaning that primers are actually multi-purpose products. So let my girls walk you through some multi-purpose ways in which you can use your primer. Our first hack is going to be demonstrated by Sanya. She's going to be using her favorite primer, which is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. So basically, because this primer is tinted, like I mentioned earlier in the video, you can actually use it to create a no makeup look. When you wear this primer alone, it helps blur your pores, it hides imperfections, and it creates a smooth, even skin tone complexion because of its tinted formula. For those who find foundation a bit too much to wear on an everyday basis, take a cue from Sanya and instead opt for a tinted primer that you can use as a base. Alright, hack number 2. So basically here you are going to be priming your eyelids so that your eye makeup slays all day long. Now my girl Diksha right here is absolutely obsessed with this trick. She uses the fabulous Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer, applies it all over her eyelids before she applies any kind of eye makeup. This Wonder Primer creates a smooth base for your eye makeup to glide on your eyes like a dream. No smudges, no creasing, just perfection. Plus, it is a boss at controlling oil, which means that if you have oily eyelids and your makeup tends to fade away, this is going to help it stay for a really long time. Ready for the final hack? So Nidhi's secret is that she uses the glow primer with a matte foundation to create a luminous base. Because obviously the Lakme Absolute Glow Primer is designed to give you that dewy, glowy finish. Here's how you do it. Just mix your matte foundation along with the glow primer and then apply it on your face. So what happens is that because the foundation is matte and the primer contains luminescent pearls, it gives you that lit from within look, while at the same time it keeps your skin soft matte. So those were primers for all skin types. If you have any questions regarding primers, then go ahead and write to us in the comment section below. And if you want to purchase any of these primers, then go ahead and check out the description box below for purchasing links. It's time for us to go, but you guys know what you have to do. You have to like, you have to share, and you have to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel, because why not? And also ring the bell icon so that you stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.